In this video, we're going to show you how to install the fender liner on your Nissan Frontier located behind your front wheels. Using a 21mm socket, go ahead, loosen and remove your lug nuts. Go ahead and grab that wheel, remove it, and set it aside. Our fender liner is broken on the inside, but if yours is not, loosen and remove the two 10mm bolts here and here. Phillips head screwdriver. If you have mud flaps on your vehicle, loosen these three. There's a fourth one just on the other side, on the bottom side of the fender. We're going to loosen and remove that. And on the front side of the fender liner, there would normally be a screw here. Ours is missing. Follow it up. And there's going to be another one right here. Loosen and remove that. Once that's out, you're going to come on up. There's normally a retainer here. And then one right here. Ours are both missing. And just going to come on back, and there's a plastic retainer button right here. We're going to use our trim tool to go ahead and pop this out, pop out the center, and pull out that button. Just kind of work the fender liner out. Work it from the inside of the fender and pull that out. Install your fender liner. And what you want to do is basically just kind of tuck it up into place. Push the front one up and over. Bring the back around and tuck it inside the fender lip here. The lower portion of your fender liner is going to fit on the outside. Once you come up to this notch here, that's going to pop to the inside like so. So outside, inside, feed it around. And there's going to be normally two little plastic clips here that the fender liner will actually pop into. Go ahead and feed these into it. The fender liner should fit behind the lip of the front bumper. On the back section here, we have our plastic push pin. Line that up. Pop that into place. Let's go ahead and install our back fender splash guard. Let's go ahead and line this up. We have three Phillips head screws here. Let's go ahead and just get these started. Once we get these three started here, we have our fourth one on the back side. So we're going to thread those in a little bit. We're not going to snug them down. We just want to make sure that they are started with several threads. Let's go ahead and move to the other side and install the fourth screw on the back side. Gently snug that down. With that anchored, we can now tighten down the three on the other side. Go ahead and install the two 10mm bolts here and here to anchor the front portion of your fender liner. Our fender liner was damaged and was missing a screw here when we received the vehicle. If you have the screw here and you removed it, go ahead and install it now. Grab your wheel, go ahead and line it up, set it into place. I'm going to start all of our lug nuts by hand. Once we have all these started, let's go ahead and snug them down. Let's go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 98 foot-pounds. You want to do this in a crisscross pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.